Alpazel.
Hello friends! In this video we will put together a puzzle with pictures of animals. Let's get started. The first is a picture of a squirrel carrying a bag, looking like he is going to school. Because it's a 4-piece puzzle, it will be easy. If you are playing a 4-piece puzzle, pay attention to the corners of each piece. That will determine where the piece should be placed. Like this piece, the top left corner looks like the corner of a puzzle board, so this puzzle piece is at the top left. Then this puzzle piece for the bottom left. And there is one piece left. The second puzzle, it looks like a picture of an owl. We will place the puzzle pieces in order. Always remember the trick of looking at the corners of the puzzle pieces when playing jigsaw puzzles. Apparently, this is a picture of an owl singing at night. The third puzzle, what animal do you think it is? Can you guess? Let's put together the puzzle to find out. Corner of this puzzle piece, place it at the top right. Then this section next to it. Then we look for the bottom. This is a picture of a bear cub crying watching his balloon fly. The fourth puzzle, now a 6-piece puzzle. The same trick still applies to 6-piece jigsaw puzzles. Because this puzzle still has an image visible, so it will be very easy to place it. This looks like part of an airplane wing. Then this light blue seems to be the color for the sky, so it's on the top left. Is this here? Apparently not. Let's take another piece of the puzzle. Well, this puzzle piece looks like a picture of an airplane propeller. Three pieces remain. The pink one. This is a picture of part of the plane. The last one is blue, meaning this is part of the sky image. This is a picture of a child being a plane pilot. This is the last puzzle. Judging from the slightly blurry picture, it looks like this is a picture of a crocodile. Let's start from which piece first. What if it's a piece with a crocodile in it? Then this one. Then this one to join the two previous pieces. Then this one because it looks like there is a circle. It's half done. Continue the good work. It turns out this is a picture of two baby crocodiles washing their hands and brushing their teeth. You also have to be diligent. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.